copyright disclaimer. Shalom, brothers and sisters. I pray that you're all doing well. This is a quick video in order to inquire of you of your YouTube accounts, as mine have had changes earlier. I received an email that I had lost access to advanced features due to the quote-unquote fact that my account didn't pass their standards, and it says that I will no longer be able to pin comments and share external links to the description area. Aren't they considered basic features, as I've been using them lately to deal with the copyright issues? And no surprise here, they want to verify my identity, just like the Foxtrot Bravo or Meta. I wanted to share this exciting news earlier in the community tab, but lo and behold, it said that I needed to verify my channel first before accessing it. It's quite noting that the approval time for video verification and valid ID is quite faster than the last option. Their hunger for our facial features and biodata is palpable. Is it even a wonder that they have censored me in the community area, as it was just yesterday that I had shared or posted something regarding the word Hotel Echo Alpha Lima Tango Hotel. But as it says in the scriptures, we are not ignorant of Satan's devices. Hallelujah! No coincidence as well that it was only yesterday that the cellular provider have informed me that they have disabled my outgoing calls and texts, and now also the data browsing, for not registering my SIM card and eventually deactivating it permanently. Once again proving the scriptures that says that Satan is the prince of the air. Hence, he tries to control the telecommunication industry from first generation to eventually the 6th generation or 6G. For now, I must say, paalam na, farewell, community feature. But wait, there's more. Paalam na can also be a play in another verb, ipaalam na, paalam na, which is to broadcast, to inform. Praise be to Yahuwah our Father through Yahushua HaMashiach, His pen.